Sometimes, when you need to cool down immediately, waiting for the air conditioner to cool your room can seem like an eternity. The SmartThinQ app can be your solution to that problem. SmartThinQ, LG's exclusive home appliances control app, lets you access your air conditioner with a Wi-Fi equipped device. SmartThinQ allows you to control basic air conditioning functions. It also allows you to conveniently use reservation functions. By using the energy monitoring, smart diagnosis, and filter check function, you can easily check important information such as operation information, power consumption, operational status, and filter information. SmartThinQ also lets you control multiple products remotely and simultaneously. All this with only one application. SmartThinQ can provide you a pleasant and comfortable environment.